Are you lacking the deep sleep that you need to stay mentally awake the next day? Sleep is essential for our overall health and happiness, and God made night, and basically we need the night to sleep well. Unfortunately, many of us struggle to calm our racing minds when it's time to sleep because of modern stresses. So, diffusing essential oil is one of the natural therapeutic way that you can promote relaxation and get quality deep sleep. Welcome back to my channel where we bring you the best essential oil tips in today's video as part of the series of the quick guide on sharing my favorite doTERRA essential oil blends. These are my top sleep diffuser blends to help you turn off your brains, shut it down entirely and achieve a restful night's sleep. So let's bring the oils in to calm the mess. The Sweet Dreams Diffuser Blend. This blend combines the calming effects of lavender, chamomile and ylang-ylang to help you drift off to sleep. Mix 3 drops of lavender, 2 drops of Roman chamomile and 2 drops of ylang-ylang in your diffuser for a peaceful night's sleep. Lavender has sedative properties, promoting a calming scent, reduces anxious feelings and slows down the central nervous system by releasing serotonin. Roman chamomile is great for reducing stress, calms the mind, and in fact is a great support to a healthy immune system. Ylang-ylang has a calming effect on mind and body, promoting positive moods and reduces stressful tension. Next up, Citrus Slumber Blend. Add 4 drops of bergamot and 3 drops of lavender to your diffuser for a refreshing and calming atmosphere. The uplifting scent of bergamot combined with the soothing properties of lavender creates a perfect balance for relaxation. And bergamot is an oil known as a self-assurance oil. For perfect deep sleep blend, add 3 drops of lavender, 1 drop of vetiver, and 1 drop of Roman chamomile essential oil. These blends work synergistically together to help you unwind and fall asleep faster. And vetiver oil in doTERRA is sourced in Haiti and the roots are steam distilled. And vetiver is great for calming and grounding our emotions, and at the same time it is also good for healthy immune support system. For an alternative deep sleep blend called Nighty-Night Blend, add 2 drops of clary sage, 2 drops of cedarwood and 4 drops of lavender. Clary sage promotes relaxation for a restful night, balancing your emotions, calms and restore your mind and body. And it is especially good for women during menstrual distress. So doTERRA cedarwood is from the northern United States or Canada, and its rich and warm wood scent brings in lots of relaxation, and it is an all-time favorite for sleep blends. At the same time, with its main constituent called cedro, it is a natural sedative and it is anti-inflammatory. Do you know that doTERRA has a special curated sleep blend called Lavender Peace or Serenity Blend in other regions? The blend comprises of lavender, cedarwood, whole wood leaf, ylang-ylang, marjoram, Roman chamomile, vetiver root, vanilla bean, and Hawaiian sandalwood. And this perfectly balanced, tranquil blend can be immediately felt when you diffuse it, bringing in the tranquil, blissful feeling indoors. As a bonus tip, my favorite all-time deep sleep blend is a 2 drops of lavender peace, 2 drops of frankincense and 2 drops of vetiver. Remember to use high-quality pure essential oils and check out my other videos on why I use doTERRA essential oils in my home. And remember that establishing a bedtime routine with essential oil rituals can truly transform your sleep experience. So take time to create your own soothing rituals, enjoying the benefits of a well-deserved good night's sleep. And check out my video on my bedtime routine, which I will share top hacks to improve your quality of sleep. Thanks for watching my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and hit the bell for more essential oil tips and tricks. Sweet dreams!